If you need a compact washing solution that fits small spaces without sacrificing performance, the Midea Portable Washing Machine 0.9 cu feet is a practical and efficient choice for everyday laundry. Right away, the compact 0.9 cu feet capacity makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, or small households. It's designed to handle daily essentials like clothes, towels, and light bedding without taking up much space. Despite its size, it offers 6 wash cycles, including normal, quick, and drum clean, giving you flexibility depending on your laundry needs. The quick cycle is especially useful when you're short on time and need a fast wash. The stainless steel tub adds durability while being gentle on clothes, and the transparent lid lets you easily check your laundry without interrupting the cycle. The LED display keeps everything simple and easy to control. Another big advantage is portability. It's lightweight, easy to move, and doesn't require permanent installation. Just connect it when needed, making it perfect for flexible living setups. In real-world use, it's best for light to moderate laundry loads. It won't replace a full-size washer for large families, but for individuals or couples, it does the job efficiently. Overall, it's a reliable, space-saving washing machine that delivers convenience, flexibility, and solid performance for compact living. Click the link below for the best price.